Here you're able to see how two bones, or in this case levers, operate over a pivot point with the muscle pulling them together. Here you can see the muscle pulling from both sides. In this case, an open connect chain movement, the hand or foot is free to move. Here you're able to see an animation of what occurs when a muscle contracts. The muscle fibers are pulled together in what is known as a concentric contraction. This is a contraction of a muscle resulting in its shortening. An eccentric contraction is the contraction of a muscle during its lengthening. Concentric, eccentric. And finally, this is what it looks like from the inside of the muscle. An isometric contraction is simply a static contraction, and relaxation is when you're not using the muscle. Here you can see it duplicated with, once again, levers and the muscle pulling them together. The concentric portion during a dumbbell raise, as well as the eccentric, and finally an isometric. Now the type of contraction in which the muscle acts but does not change its length, or static contraction, also known as an isometric contraction, an example would be pressing against a wall, or isometric shoulder external rotation, pressing your forearm against the wall. Static workouts are characteristics of stork branches in which great force is required at specific angles. Now, an isotonic contraction is a contraction of the muscle at a constant speed against variable resistance. Now, this is the primary form of muscle contraction, which will be referred to in this video, as it is how most of you exercise.